Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have an account and basic Git set. Start now by creating a new public repository named exactly like your GitHub username. This special repo becomes your profile README, GitHub reads README, MD at root, and displays it on your profile. Once created, clone it locally so you can iterate rapidly or edit online for quick changes. Make sure the repository is public. Private repos won't surface the profile README. Commit an initial README to confirm everything is wired up. Now design the README structure. Start with a concise bio, then add projects, skills, and contact sections so visitors scan quickly. Use markdown headings and lists for readability. Include badges and an image for visual hierarchy. For projects, link to repos and show short descriptions. For skills, use bulletized keywords. Once drafted, preview changes in GitHub's editor or locally with a markdown viewer to tweak layout and line breaks. Make sure relative image paths are correct and assets are in the repo. Finish by committing and pushing your polished README, then refresh your GitHub profile to verify it appears as expected. Once done, iterate. Small commits and descriptive messages make rollbacks easy. If content doesn't show, first check the repo name matches your username exactly and README. MD is at the repository root and spelled correctly. Also confirm the repository is public. If images fail, verify paths and that assets were pushed. Try clearing cache or viewing in an incognito window to rule out browser caching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.